I suppose the other thing I could have done was like sanded those brake shoes maybe, but it might be alright. It actually feels perfect at the moment. Take her up the road a little more and just see what we think. Front end is pretty close to right, I think. Hard brake, pretty hard. Didn't bother it none. I might take it in and what I'm doing right now is adjusting the toe in. I might take it in and give it a, I don't know if I ought to give it another turn or just call that good enough. Hard to know. I could let it cool down and try tightening that steering box thing a little bit more. If I can get a little bit more return out of that. The brake's feeling pretty good now. Seat belt, that's what I was going to work on next. Get that seat belt. I had a seat belt that came loose, and I need to hook it back up. It just came. It was attached to the floor near about it. It looked like it just came out of the buckle that holds it. Always a challenge. See if I can fit this big girl in here without banging into something. I love this car. Cool car. It is such a cool car, really. Such a cool car. Alright, let's mess with that seatbelt a little bit, I guess.